Hello everyone! I'm Lizzie and welcome back to Mama Lizzie's Kitchen. For those who are new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. For today's recipe, we will be making a chicken congee or arrozcaldo or lugaw in Filipino. It is nourishing, satisfying, and comforting food. It is usually served at breakfast or merienda, or if you feel sick, this rice porridge can make you feel better. This is simple and easy to prepare, so let's start! Here are the ingredients: 1 cup sticky rice or malagkit, 1 cup rice, 300 grams chicken breast fillet, boiled eggs, calamansi, onion leeks, ginger, garlic, onion, 1 chicken cube, pepper, and fish sauce. In large pot, heat oil. Then, saute the garlic until toasted. Remove the toasted garlic and set aside for garnish later. On the same pot, saute the garlic and onion. Add the ginger and saute about a minute. You can now add the chicken breast fillet. Then, season it with pepper and fish sauce. You can now add 2 liters of water. Cover and let it cook for 15 minutes. Chicken from the pot and shred the chicken meat, then add the chicken cube. Add the rice and sticky rice into the pot. I wash it first before adding it into the pot. Stir and cover the pot and let it boil for another 15 minutes. The chicken back into the pot, then continue to cook about 30 minutes or until you get the consistency that you wanted. You can add water if needed. Once the congee gets thick, season it with pepper and fish sauce. To a bowl. It's now ready for garnish. You can garnish the congee with chicken, boiled egg, toasted garlic, onion leeks, and calamansi. hot and enjoy!